my God!
Sige po yun.
Oh my God! Thank you, Lord. Hindi talaga siya nag-morning, nag-lunch. Oh my God, Lord. Thank you tayo. Grabe. Wow, oh, shit. Oh my God! Oh, look ka! Shit! Lang, start 14!
Bali na dito ano gani? Oo, grabe oh! Wala, nagnabahan ang isin. Oh! Pero ang binlip, wala, itaksa. Wala, buntag ko ang isin mo. Wala ni silang buwanan ay. Ako kayo ilang ano nga ni. Ang ganda po nga siya.
Oh my God, guys, we just hit by a massive earthquake. So today, I'm picking up my nephew and I'm a bit nervous and worried. I'm hoping there's nothing crazy. So yeah, if you can see, I'm still grateful that the earthquake hit us early morning, because if you can imagine, if the massive earthquake hit during the peak time, like around 12 p.m, it is very dangerous because there's so many people in the mall. As you can see, the mall has been destroyed. So please, we're picking up my nephew and niece right now, so we're going there. Hey.
Today was a very lucky earthquake.
No, it's still good. You should be thankful. Nothing happened. Nothing bad happened. Okay?
Yeah. Ano yan yung nasa hospital?
Yes, I hope they're all okay. There's some people there. Dili lang to magagigay sana ya ha? Kay basig sus. Oh my God. Oh wow, guys. No, guys, sana still standing still.
Pero ang nagtulog-tulog.
Oh my God. Oh, here we go, KCC. Now may dress sa KCC. Oh my God. Oh. Damage.
Grabe. Oh, napahap na dito.
Oh wow.
Kamutang diran sa
Oh. Ah, tindi na kahulog. Ay, nakagiri ka. Kahulog dyan ka. Atasan. Sorry. Oh, daghanong mo. Wow. Sorry, nakatawa lang.
ang magyanan mo daw.
thankfully, we just got back home and this is my neighborhood. So far in this area, nothing has damage. Yeah. Oh my God, guys. Thank you so much, Papa Jesus, for saving us today. We're all grateful to you.
Ayaw, mga tuloy. Wala, taas day kayo, Maro. Sa kahoy, mga good na good. Dapat ipakanggal yung kahoy mo.
So we are still outside because there are tons of aftershock and it's really strong. So I'm not expecting this will happen for today. Yeah. There's a little drop there. Where are you going? So after the earthquake, guys, we just realized that we don't have water because there is no electricity and my mom does not have a medicine. So we are hoping to check and see if there's a pharmacy. Oh my God, ang mga tricycle. Hey guys, it's almost 6 p.m. and we still have no electricity. So tonight we are thinking to sleep here in the floor because we are worried if there's another earthquake that will hit tonight. It's kind of scary because our house has shown some cracks, so yeah, we're just gonna stay here and sleep in here. But of course we're gonna arrange that later, but definitely we're gonna sleep in this area. We still don't have our electricity. And I don't know if we can have our electricity tomorrow. So let's see. Hey guys, we just got our electricity back, but we're still staying and sleeping here in the Dari tanaw lang dadan. Tanaw lang ako. So, just got electricity.
Uy. Siya pula, uy. Takar, uy. Ay, masabi, di ko.
Hi. This is the second day of having no power here in Jensen.
So we're gonna play this one, guys.
Yeah, and we are basically staying here because it's more safer. And if there's
We're
another
gonna play.
aftershock,
We're gonna
we
play
can
this one.
easily just go out in the door.
Look, so guys, look at this game. I'm gonna play this game. I'm so good at this game because my brother don't want to play this, so I want to play. So let's try.
I used to play cards when I was young, so I'm gonna
Always play this.
teach her how to play cards. And maybe one day she will become the goddess of gambler. Ha ha ha. No, so we are basically looking for a pharmacy because we need to buy some medicine. So luckily, Rosen Pharmacy is open, so it's really good to know because we need to buy some medicines for my mom. She's having hypertension, so yeah, we're going there.
Buy one, take one, buy one, take one, buy one, take one.
We finally got to get my mom medicine, so the mall are still closed, KCC is still closed, and we are trying to find a 7-Eleven so we can buy water because we don't have water anymore. So, and I'm also hungry. Oh, so let's check the 7-Eleven over there. This is the Kaisano Mall. Unfortunately, they are still closed, so we could not buy anything in there. So we are going to find a 7-Eleven. There's one over there near at the STI. So let's hope that, oh, I guess the Kasana still got damaged here. And oh my god, the truck is so big, that area. So let's go. City is still a ghost town. I'm hoping there's 7-Eleven that is open. I need to buy some water. Hopefully they have water available. So this is still the Gaisano. It's one of the biggest mall here in Jensen. And my favorite grocery store also. I hope 7-Eleven is open, please. This is the STI. And thanks God, 7-Eleven is open. We can buy water. Water! Oh my god, this is so terrible. I feel like there is a scarcity of water. So finally, They have no more water. It's the only one left. So let's see what they have in here because I don't know what time the mall will open. So we're looking for our chips. It's this one, this one, and this one. And some cup noodles just in case of emergency because I really don't know. Some chocolate. Maybe get some choco mocha. Two of this. And this ramen. I like this ramen. We'll pick this one up. Still shaking again. This is the third day. You can see it's shaking. And what is really helping right now are the dogs. So there are so many dogs in the neighborhood and they keep barking.
Muanik siya, oh.
Monsa King?
Like this, waving in the like you're in a ferry.
Still a ghost town. Empty Main Street. So I guess I'm the only one who's walking around. My city is still a ghost town. Empty street. No one is around except me because I'm looking to find an ATM machine. I was from 7-Eleven buying some food and then their ATM does not work, so the lady said I have to go to Santiago, so I'm going to Santiago, and as you can see the street is empty.